5773 released 7th Cavalry during the Indian War duration in 1873, Colt introduced the well-known design 1873, likewise referred to as the Single-Action Army, the Colt. 45 inches, not to be confused with Colt-made models of the M1911 semi-automatic, or simply, the Peacemaker, one of the most popular pistols ever made. It is still in production, along with numerous clones and lookalikes, and its general appearance has remained the exact same since 1873. Although originally made for the United States Army, the Model 1873 was commonly distributed and popular with civilians, ranchers, lawmen, and criminals alike. Its design has affected many other revolvers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.